So come to Varanasi. It's been 4 days. Today is the 4th day. Was not able to go live for a long time because I had to visit all the temples and the ghats. So now I've come to one of the ghats here. So this is the entrance to the main temple, and that is the famous Manikarnika Ghat. So this is one of the main cremation places for Hindus. So the fire is eternal, it keeps burning. It's been burning for several hundreds of years now. This is the Ganga. So here the Ganga flows in the opposite direction. That's what they say. The Varuna river meets Ganga here at the Ghat. So it is called Assi Ghat, a little bit further that side. And that is the reason why this place has been named Varanasi. So that is Manikarnika Ghat. So we also have the Harishchandra Ghat. There are several ghats here. Totally that have been named are about 42, other than the small ones, I think. So 42 ghats are there. Tulsidasa's house is there. There is a Nepali temple there. On the right you can see. Mostly all the places in India have been represented here in a way. So amazing, peaceful place. Of course, weekends, as you know, will be nice. So do come. So you have an entrance from the other side also. You will need to walk, say, for about 2 kilometers to reach the temple from where they stop the auto or taxi. So you have cycle rickshaws for people who don't feel like walking or they can't walk. But otherwise, if you are able to walk, it's a nice walk through the small gullies of Varanasi. It's an amazing experience. You have to walk through it to get to know. People are very nice and helpful also. So do come and witness what life is. Bye.